Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you the Pebble Icon Pack on this device. So you have to enter customization menu by long pressing on empty space on your home screen, and now in the bottom you have to go to Wallpapers and Style. Now scroll to Icons, and here you will see a list of pre-installed icon styles such as Classic, Radiance, Shadow and others. You want to select Pebble, and additionally you can adjust the icon size by using this slider. As I move my slider, you can see that in this preview icon size change. So when you're ready, you have to tap apply in the top right to save your changes, and that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.